Hey, marine audio? Does that mean it's got to be in a boat? It is a full range Class D 4-channel. What makes this thing marine? Man, this is cool. So check this out, man. This is wicked. In there, you have your MOSFET chip. There's your, that's not the actual processing board. Those are right there, and there's tiny. I mean, this amp is like a little mini amp, but it's so cool, man. Let me put this back together. Let's go get it on the dyno. Okay, we're back. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a dyno run at 4 ohms, and I'm gonna try 2 ohms. It is fused, so worst case, going down to 2 ohm, it might pop it. Now, according to this, it says it should do 280 watts, but we're gonna do it in a dynamic mode. So we're gonna go to 4 ohms, enter, and then we're gonna go to track 1, and then start dyno. Here we go. 358 at 14 volts. 359. Let me pause this. 359 watts mono out. So definitely could run a small woofer. No problem at all running coax. So I'm just gonna try it. Worst happens, it pops the fuse, which what it should do. We're gonna go to 2 ohms, enter. We're gonna go to track 1 and then start dyno. We'll see if it handles 2 ohms. Whoa, 478, 495 at 13.96. Okay, so it does do 2 ohms, not recommended. I just wanted to see what would happen. This little amp right here just did all that. Hey, check it out. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Representing Audiopipe in the house. Get piped by Audiopipe and Big Jeff. Hey, you never know, me and Audipipe might have something going on soon. That'd be really cool. But stay tuned, hit that like button, share this out. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Doesn't cost you $1. And on our social media sites, which are attached to YouTube and everything else, it's all Big Jeff Audio. Follow us and like us, we appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.
Big Jeff Audio, making waves real quick.